teacher Al. Welcome to my channel. Today our topic is about factoring of sum or difference of cubes. So the indicators, the difference is the minus sign, the fractional. Then the cube is the exponent of the given variable is 3. Now to find the factor of sum or difference of cubes, we're going to have again make one parenthesis for binomial factor and another parenthesis for trinomial factor. And then we're going to find, the next step is to find the cube root of a cube. So to find that, so we're going to cancel the index and together with the exponent, so the remaining is a. So therefore our answer here for the binomial factor is a. Negative, just only copy. The next find the cube root of b cube. The same process, we're going to cancel that and the remaining is b. So the b now is our answer for that. And then next step, for finding the trinomial factor, we're going to square the first term of a. A times a equals a squared. And for the second term, if this is negative, reverse to positive. Okay, then multiply the first term and the second term. A times b equals ab. Then square negative times negative equals positive. Then b times b equals b squared. That's now the answer. Okay. Next, number 2. The same process. You have to make two parentheses, one for binomial factor and the other one is for trinomial factor. Then find the square root of 8. The square root of the cube root, rather, the cube root of 8. Okay, then we are going to estimate is 2. Why is it 2? Because if we multiply 2 thrice, 2 times 2 times 2 equals 8. So therefore the root is 2. Then negative here, just only copy. And for b, for the variable b, the cube root is only b. Then minus from here, just only copy. Then find again this cube root of 125. Estimated is 5 times 5, 25 times 5 equals 25 carry 2, 125. So the roots now is 5. 5 times 5 times 5. 3 times it becomes 125, so the root is 5. Okay, now the next, find the trinomial factor by squaring the first term. 2 times 2 equals 4, b times b equals b squared. Then since this is negative, the next term here is positive, the second term. Then multiply the same first and the second term. 2 times 5 equals 10b. b just only copy, okay? Then negative times negative equals positive. Then 5 times 5 equals 25. Okay, that's now our final answer. Next, what is the same process? We're going to make two parentheses, one for binomial factor and one for trinomial factor. Then find the square root of 27, or the cube root of 27. Okay, the cube root of 27 belongs to 3. Because 3 times 3, 9 times equals 27. So here is 3. Then for the x cubed, we have x, then over 125, the square root, the cube root is 5. Then here we have negative, just only copy. And the cube root of 8 is 2, because 2 times 2 times 2 is 8. The cube root of y, is equals to y, because y times y equals y cubed, over 729. The cube root of 79 is 9 times 9 times 9. Okay, 9 here. Now for the trinomial factor, we're going to double square the first term. 3 times 3 equals 9. X times x squared, over 5 times 5 equals 25. Here is negative, it should be here, change to positive. Then forget that, it should be reversed. If this is negative, it should be, the second term is positive. And then multiply the first and the second term. Okay, 3 times 2 equals 6xy, over 5 times 9 equals 45. Then negative times negative equals positive. 2 times 2 equals 4. Then y times y equals y squared, over 9 times 9 equals 81. Okay? I hope you understand how to factor the sum or difference of cubes. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.